guys, I hope you're all well. So I just filmed this foxy eye makeup look, eyeshadow makeup look. It's up on my channel already if you guys want to check it out. Super easy to create, perfect for hooded eyes or like a little bit droopy eyes because it lifts it up as you can see. So I was about to apply the foundation and finish off the makeup look, and I thought why not to review the ECOTOOLS Perfecting Cushion Blender. They say to use this cushion blender with the compact foundation. I'm not a fan of a compact foundation because I don't think it gives a perfect coverage. I prefer more of a liquid foundation. What I liked about it, that the brand is cruelty free, the tree-free paper, the dermatologically tested, and this makeup sponge itself is what they say, look and live beautifully with a unique eco foam technology made of 70% plant-based materials, latex-free, dermatologist tested, 100% vegan. And then we say to use sponge dry sponge sounds weird, but gonna give it a go. Let's just do it. So I'm gonna start from the primer. This is what I usually use. I always start from a primer. Let's just unpack this somehow. This paper, so I can just rip it off, right? Oh, so I just ripped this part. I didn't rip it properly so it doesn't look as pretty, but look what a message it has in here. Like a hidden message. How cool is that? I love this. It feels soft, but like, I don't know if dry sponge is a good idea, but I'm gonna give it a go. If not, I'm just gonna damp it up like I use normally. You know, I can start with a dry sponge. I mean, it feels just as your regular sponge. It doesn't feel anything different. It feels soft and squishy, and you know, probably gonna expand if I use water. But it's so weird. It's made 70% out of plants. We're gonna go with a dry one first, and then we're gonna see if we need to damp it up a bit. Because the golden rule is to use a damp beauty blender, like makeup sponge at any cost. Never go with a dry, but they say on the packaging to go with a dry, so you know, we're gonna give it a go. So I'm gonna go with NYX Skin Style One Stop Foundation in a medium olive. This is the one that's matching me at the moment. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention the shape of this beauty blender. It's a bit like an hourglass. Let's see. Okay, already messed it up. Touch that. See how much it can absorb. So I'm gonna just tap it off like I always do. So far, I ain't complaining. It's giving me the coverage that I need, like that I would usually want. I actually never used the dry makeup sponge or beauty blender because I'm so used to using the wet, but it ain't too bad so far. I mean, the sponge itself is soft and nice, kind of bouncing off. Interesting. Feel like it's bouncing and everything, but I don't know if it's absorbing more product than inside a sponge, and I'm like wasting my foundation because it's just going into the sponge, or I don't know, you guys. It's very weird to use a dry makeup sponge. Like, it doesn't make sense. Just looking at the mirror, like it's getting a coverage. My face it's not as red, like my rosacea hidden. I'm not complaining, especially I think it's good on the go when you can't damp it up your makeup sponge, like when you don't have time for it or you forgot and you start doing your makeup. This might be a solution, but I kind of want to damp it up just to see if it's just as good. Let's do that. So I'm gonna open another one. Okay, so I have a cup of water here. Okay, this is very strange because I don't feel like it expanded at all. It kind of looks the same. It's slightly bit expanded though. Like, tiny bit. But not much. This is so bizarre. Okay, let's go with a damp one. I want to see how it's gonna work. Wow, I'm very confused about this makeup sponge, you guys. This is just, yeah, very strange. Let's see how we damp. I think I like a damp better, because it's a bit more bouncier. The coverage wise is exactly the same. So the dry or wet or damp works exactly the same, just maybe less product goes inside the sponge. let's do a bit of contouring. So I got the Illusion Conceal and Define Infinite Concealers in C12 and C2. Let's try and blend. So I'm gonna use a bit damp one at first. Let's see how it's gonna work. I'm not like disliking this sponge, but I just feel it's so weird to use. Like, it's very bouncy. You know, like a normal makeup sponge is very like squishy. This one is very like bouncy, if that makes any sense whatsoever. It's not bad, it's just different. Okay, I'm gonna set this up and come back to you with the finished result and my thoughts about this interesting makeup sponge. Alright guys, so finished doing my makeup. I used some setting powder and then some powder contour, highlight and all. So this ECOTOOLS Perfecting Cushion Blender, I mean, does its job. My foundation looks good. You know, it works properly as a makeup sponge, as a beauty blender. It's just that bizarre thing that you need to use it dry. Like I still have this, you know, dry and wet. It's not much difference in between. Like this one is a dry one, this one is a damp one. It didn't expand much or anything. It's just a little bit like squishier. This one is more bouncier, but you know, that makes any sense at all. Yeah, it's just really bizarre that you need to use it dry, but kind of good on the other hand if you're in a rush or you forgot to dampen your, you know, beauty blender and you don't have bathroom next to where you do your makeup or you don't do your makeup in the bathroom, then it's kind of good because you can just use it dry and it works perfectly. Like it gave me a full coverage. Skin surface look, you know, equal and all, so it definitely works. I guess it's thumbs up from me. Recommend, go and try for yourself. It feels very bouncy rather than squishy like the normal makeup sponge should be, like for example this one here. So it doesn't feel as like squishy. That makes any sense, but yeah, it's a good product. It works. So I really hope you guys find this video helpful. If so, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more, and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you would like to see next up on my channel, and I shall see you very soon. So thank you so much for watching and bye. Have an amazing day, you guys.